What do we have here? Woo! Yes, it's finally here. The one I've been waiting for quite a while, since the announcements anyway. Well, this is an unboxing of the M15, and unboxings are unboxings. They're all the friggin' same. But this gives you an opportunity to, write down there in the comments what you would like tested. And, I could tailor my tests around you champs that give me the thumbs up and sub. You guys, I'll help you out there. So anyway, that's the box. The box is good, it's white, it's cool, I love it. Let's open it. So I'm going to put this through every single test known to man. Particularly interested in content creation. Could this be a desktop replacement for content creation? Have a look how well they pack their stuff. They pack it really well. Oh, God. That's the box, all right? That's why. Look, someone said, oh, your wall's dirty. No, it's not dirty. They're scratch marks from boxes. That's how it is. Anyway, have a look at this. All right, look at that. 2 fingers there. Woo! Nice and thin. All right, so if we have a look here, some USBs there, USB type A's. We have HDMI, probably 2.0, 1.4 DisplayPort, I guess. Thunderbolt 3 and the Alienware graphics amp. If you want the best, fastest external graphics, that's the way to go with the Alienware graphics amp. Your power there, and we have Ethernet and another USB 3, and then we have the combination jack, I guess. So some ventilation here, ventilation on the bottom. Nice solid build. Like Alienware are known for their build, how tough they are. And this seems very tough. Very thin, very light. It's only like 4.7 pounds. Whatever a friggin' pound is, I have no idea. It's actually not that much heavier than all the 15-inch thin and light laptops. Because hey, look, seriously. I'm not joking here. 1 finger, 2 finger. There you go. That's how I'm picking it up. 2 fingers. So yeah, it's a big weight reduction compared to the other, oh, I nearly dropped it, the other Alienware. So yeah, looks good, solid build, nice thin and light. And yeah, what else you get? You get power in there. Look, there's some documentation there. Look how well it's packed. Some documentation there, social media, and just the power brick. All right, so yeah, Aussie power there, Aussie power. And what do we got here? 180 watt power supply. And it's got the, oh, don't scratch, big barrel there. It's got the big barrel. Okay, so we don't get to pick and choose what models we get sent out. We'll take this off. Alienware logo will light up. Take this off. Oh, that sounded nice. Let's open her up. Okay. This trackpad straight away looks to me like XPS 13 or XPS 15. That is the power button. Let's take this plastic off. Pretty quick. There's the honeycomb sort of vent there. So straight away when I look at this, it looks nice. It looks beautiful. Nice build quality. People ask me all the time, what is that computer? Every time I've got an Alienware, it's the one I get asked about the most. And it was because of those strip lighting at the side. This one doesn't have it, unfortunately, but you'll give that up for the weight, right? But the RGB is like pretty bright. Look how bright it is. Like usually it's really hard for me to show the RGB, but look, you can see how bright that is. Okay, so if you have a look at the bezels on the side, they're very thin. As you can see, there's a chin and there's a forehead there. So bezels at the top. Now this is because the actual unit's been squashed. And the reason it needs the top and bottom bezel is because basically that's the footprint of the computer. They've sort of squashed it down, flattened it out, and that's why you get these bezels here. Now, I guess they could have put a taller display in it, but you don't want to mess with 16:9 on gaming laptops. I've been reviewing a few laptops that have these, 16:10 or 3:2 aspect ratios, and the problem is, a lot of games, they will only play derivatives of the actual native resolution, or they won't even actually play like 1080p or something like that. You'll have to stretch it out. It just looks terrible. So it's actually good that, they didn't put a taller screen. They're stuck with the 16:9. That's what you want as a gamer. Now, I'm very interested to know how this goes with content creation as well. To be a desktop replacement. Nice, thin, light, especially for an Alienware. Could definitely replace your 15-inch laptop if it is the goods, I will be doing a live stream thermal testing. Make sure you subscribe. I've got lots of tests. Let me know in the comments what you would like to test personally yourself. I was a bit worried about that keyboard, but it seems like it's okay. It travels definitely far enough. So this one here has the GTX 1070 Max Q, and it has a 60 watt hour battery. You can get a bigger battery, like 90 watt hour battery. It'll be easy to work out with maths, you know, what's the difference between the two. You just add, you know, another 40% or whatever it is, 30 something percent. But when you get the big battery, you will miss the 2.5 inch drive bay. So anyway, make sure you hit me up on Twitter and you'll see all the updates there. I will live stream some, you know, thermal testing. I've seen a few people get this on YouTube. I'm not happy with any of their reviews except for probably Own and Disown. So check out his content on the Alienware. But some of the other ones, especially from big YouTubers, it's like, you know, they didn't really tell me much. So anyway, I'll catch you next one. Tally ho!